Hello, Eager Young Minds! Ngayon ay nasa week 6 na tayo ng ating third quarter. Saan? Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about solving routine and non-routine problems involving area of composite figures. Muli, ito si Teacher 1. Para sa hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, ay mag-subscribe na po para updated sa ating mga video lessons. Okay? At kapag may natutunan, syempre, i-share naman sa iba para may matutunan din naman sila. Okay, simulan natin. Okay, let's start by the definition of plane figures. Okay, plane figures are just closed figures whose points lie in the same surface. They are flat and have two dimensions only. So ito yung mga halimbawa ng plane figures. We have the square, the rectangle, we have the triangle, and the circle. Okay, so dito po iikot ang ating lesson ngayon. Okay, now let us define area. Okay, kasi ito pag-uusapan natin. Area is the number of square units needed to cover the surface of a plane figure. Okay, let's take for example this one. Meron ako ditong rectangle. So kapag sinabing area, yun ang number ng square units. Ano yung square units? Ito. Yan. Ito ang halimbawa, isang square unit yan. Halimbawa, this is 1 cm. Okay, by 1 cm. Okay, so this is 1 square centimeter. So ilang square centimeters ang makaka-cover ng kabuuang rectangle na to? Yun ang ibig sabihin ng area. Yan. Kung ilang square centimeters ang kayang mag-cover sa buong rectangle na yan. That is area. Okay. Now let's talk about the formula of the area. Okay. So unahin natin ang formula ng square. Okay. The formula for the area of square is just area is equals to side times side, or area is equals to side squared or s squared. Okay. Let's take for example, meron ditong akong square. Okay. Kung saan, ayan, ang bawat gilid niyan ang tinatawag na side or s. Okay. In this particular square, for example, halimbawa ang isang side ay 5 meters. Okay? 5 meters ang isang side. To solve for the area of this square, okay, ang gagamitin natin ay ang formula natin na ito. That is area is equals to side times side lang. So area is equals to side times side. Ang isang side ay 5 meters. Okay? 5 meters multiplied by S pa rin, 5 meters pa rin. Okay? 5 meters. Okay, and this is equal to 5 times 5, that is 25 meter squared. Take note, kapag ang pinag-uusapan natin ng area, lagi yung square units. Yan, meron yung 2 dyan. So this is 25 square meters. Okay. Now let's talk about the area of rectangle. Okay, the formula naman for the area of rectangle is equals to area is equals to length times width. Okay, yan naman. Example, this one is rectangle. Okay, kung saan ang length ay ito yung mahabang side, and then ang width yung sa gilid yan, yung mas maikse. Okay, let's take for example, halimbawa, the length or the L is equals to 6 feet in this particular rectangle, and the width, okay, is equals to 4 feet. Okay, paano natin masosolve ang area? Tandaan, sa area ng rectangle, kailangan lang natin malaman ang length at saka ang width, and then masosolve na po natin siya. In this particular case, given naman. So let us solve. Okay, area is equals to length. Just replace the values lang. So L is equals to 6 feet. Okay, so ganun lang. And then multiplied by the width, which is 4 feet. Okay, 4 feet. And then multiply nyo lang. Okay, 6 times 4, that is 24. Of course, huwag kakalimutan ang unit, feet. Again, kapag area, ang unit yan ay lagi yung square unit. Okay, so the answer for the area of the rectangle in this particular example is that the area of rectangle is 24 square feet. Okay, ngayon naman, let's talk about the area of rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle, the formula for the area of rectangle is equals to area is base times height divided by 2. Okay. Tingnan natin itong halimbawa, itong triangle na to, kung saan ang base ay itong nasa baba, to, at ang height naman, itong pataas na yan. Okay? Okay. Now, yan. Okay. Now, halimbawa, sa triangle na to, ang base niya ay 5 feet. Dalawa lang kailangan mo dito. Kailangan mo lang malaman ang base at saka ang height. At ang height niya ay 4 feet. Okay, masosolve na ba ang area? Yes, of course, kasi given ang base at saka ang height. Okay, let us solve using the formula. Okay, area, just replace the values. Ano ang base? 5 feet. Okay, 5 feet. Okay, multiplied by the height, which is 4 feet. Okay, and then divided by 2. Ang 2 ay constant yan. Okay, 5 times 4 feet, that is 20 feet. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, and then, okay, square feet ito. Okay, 20 square feet divided by 2, that is just 10 square feet. Okay, again, sa area ng rectangle, kailangan mo lang malaman ang base at saka ang height, and then masosolve mo na siya using this formula. Okay, now, let's proceed with the area of the circle. The area of the circle is pi r squared. Okay, kung saan pi is a mathematical constant which has a value of 3.14. Okay, so yan lang yan. And then r is the radius squared. Okay, let's say for example this circle. Okay, so circle, meron niyang center din sa gitna, no? Okay, so this is the center. Okay, from the center to any point of the circumference, ano yung circumference? Itong bilog na nasa labas, yung line na nasa labas na yung red. So from the center to any point of the circumference, okay, that is called the radius. Okay, so itong radius na to, ito lang ang kailangan natin para makaskuha natin or masolve natin ang area ng circle. Okay, pero alamin din natin itong isang line pa na to. Isang line from any point of the circumference, okay, passes through the center, okay, papunta sa sa kabilang side ng circumference. Okay, yan naman, ang tawag dyan sa line na yan is diameter. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang diameter ay dalawang radius lang yan. Kasi kung titignan mo, ito ay radius papunta doon, ito ay radius papunta doon. Okay? So therefore, ang radius din ay kalahati ng diameter. Minsan kasi ang given diameter, kaya dapat hatiin mo yan. Okay. So, example, meron ako dito, given. Ang given ay radius ng circle which is 2 cm. Okay? Again, sa circle, isa lang kailangan mo, radius lang, masosolve mo na siya using the formula. Okay. Let us solve. Area of a circle is equals to pi r squared. Okay? Or pi times r times r. Pi ay constant yan. Okay? 3.14. Okay? Multiplied by the radius, which is 2. Okay? Radius squared means radius times radius, or pi times r times r. So, that is just 3.14 times 2 times 2. Okay. So, 3.14 times 2 cm times 2 cm, that is just 12.56. Okay. Again, since we are talking about area, ang unit yan ay lagi yung naka-square unit. Okay? So the answer for this, or the area of this particular circle, is 12.56 square centimeters. Okay. Ngayon, proceed tayo. Okay? Sa area ng composite figures. Okay. So meron ako dito ang composite figure. Yan. Pag sinabing composite figure, that is the area formed or the figure formed by any two or more plane figures. So pinagsamang mga plane figures yan. Halimbawa ito, meron tayong rectangle na malaki at meron tayong triangle na maliit. So pinagsama. Kaya ang tawag dyan ay composite figures. Okay. Now, let us find the area of this one. Okay. In finding the area of composite figures using problem-solving strategies, ito ang gagawin natin. Okay. First, these are the steps in solving problems. Okay. Una. Okay. The first thing that you're going to do to solve the problem is you have to understand the problem. Okay? Siyempre, intindihin niyo muna kung anong problem. Okay? Para malaman niyo kung paano isosolve. In understanding the problem, you have to know what is asked. Okay, yun ang kaunahan. Alamin ko anong tinatanong. Okay, and what is asked in this particular problem is the area of the colored region. Yun ang tinatanong eh. Okay, hahanapin natin ang area nitong colored na to. Okay, and of course, after knowing what is asked, know what are the given facts. Okay, so ano yung mga given facts o mga values na nandyan? Okay, na kailangan natin para masagutan natin ang tanong. Okay, so the given, okay, meron tayong rectangle. So alamin natin ano bang given sa rectangle na yan. Ano ba ang mga dimensions na meron sa rectangle? So ang length ng rectangle ay 16 cm at ang width ng rectangle, so itong haba na to, itong taas na to, that is 11 cm. Okay, so yan ang given para sa rectangle. Okay, ano pa? Meron tayong triangle dyan. So ano ang given para sa triangle? So ang base ng triangle ay 4 cm at ang height ng triangle ay 5 cm. Okay? Yan lang naman kailangan natin eh. Okay. Ngayon, after you understand the problem, nalaman ko anong tinatanong, nalaman ko anong mga given facts, the next thing that you're going to do is you have to plan. Okay. Sa pagpaplano, alamin natin paano ba natin isosolve itong problem na to. Ang tinatanong ay colored region. Pero meron namang butas na triangle. So, ibig sabihin pala, ang gagawin mo dyan, ibabawas mo itong triangle na to sa rectangle na yan. So, anong unang gagawin? First, find the area of the rectangle. Siyempre, alamin natin itong kabuuang rectangle na yan. Okay. Pangalawa, find the area of the triangle. Alamin natin to kasi ito ibabawas natin. Okay. And then pangatlo, you have to subtract the area of the triangle to the area of the rectangle. Okay? So ibabawas mo tong area ng triangle na to sa kabuuan ng area ng rectangle. Okay, yun ang plano natin para malaman natin kung anong area ng colored region. Okay. After planning, you have to solve na. Okay. To solve, unahin natin yung letter A. So let us find the area of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is just length times width. Okay. So yan, ito ang formula natin eh, length times width. So alamin agad, nasan yung length? Ito given naman, 16. And then the width is 11 cm. Okay, just replace the values. That is why the area of a rectangle is equals to 16 cm times 11 cm. Okay, and then multiply 16 times 11. That is just 176. Okay, 176. Since area ang pinag-usapan, that is square unit. So 176 square centimeters. Okay, now, okay na yung letter A, nakuha na natin. Okay, try natin yung letter B. Find the area of the rectangle naman. Okay, of the triangle pala. Okay, so the area of the triangle is equals to base times height, okay, divided by 2. Replace the values lang. Alamin natin, nasa ang given ng triangle? Meron siyang base na 4 cm. Meron siyang height na 5 cm. Okay. Palit lang natin. Ang base is 4 cm. Ang height is 5 cm divided by 2. Okay. And then, solve na. 4 times 5, that is 20. Divided by 2, that is just 10. Okay. Ang unit natin ay centimeter square kasi area. Okay. Yun na. Okay, itong letter B, nakuha na natin. Okay, susunod ay gawin natin ang letter C. So, subtract the area of the triangle to the area of the rectangle. So, una, ano ba ang area ng rectangle? That is 176, okay, cm squared. Okay, babawas natin itong area ng square, which is 10, okay, square centimeters. Okay, para makuha natin yung area ng shaded. Okay, ganun lang yan. So 176 minus 10, that is 166, okay, centimeter square. Okay, so yun pala ang area ng shaded or colored region. So your final answer now is the area of the colored region is 166 square centimeters. Centimeters yan. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now let's proceed sa learning task 1. Learning task 1. Okay, so ito ang problem. Manny painted 4-sided figure inside a circle whose radius measures 30 cm. Okay, ang radius ng circle is 30 cm. Kailangan yun. So, kapag nagsusolve ng word problems, mas maganda kung i-underline agad yung important details para hindi magkalituhan. Okay. He painted each side of four-sided figure he painted measures 13 cm. Okay. What is the figure that Manny painted? What is the area of the circle that is not painted? So sa isang bilog, nag-paint si Manny dyan ng figure. Okay. 13 cm daw. Okay, ang pinaint niya. So ito ay square, no? 13 by 30. Okay. Ngayon, eto na. Ang tinatanong dito, what is the figure that Manny painted? So nasagot natin yung unang tanong. The figure that Manny painted is a square. Ngayon, next question, what is the area of the circle that is not painted? Ito na. Gagawin natin. Okay. Using the problem-solving strategies natin, first thing that you are going to do is you have to understand the problem. In understanding the problem, you have to know what is asked. So ang tinatanong dito, okay, is the area of the circle na hindi napintahan. Kasi ito yung pinintahan niya, yung nasa loob lang eh. So ano yung area ng circle na walang paint? Okay. And then, after that, what are the given facts? So ano yung mga given facts? Meron tayong dalawang object yan, circle or dalawang plane, circle at saka square. Okay. So alamin natin ano ang given sa circle at ano ang given sa square. Okay. For circle, binigay dyan ang radius na 30 cm. Okay? Yun lang kailangan natin sa circle, di ba? Radius na. Para naman sa square, isang side din lang kailangan natin. One side of the square is 13 cm. Okay? So yun ang given. So ngayon, after understanding, the next thing that you have to do is you have to plan. Pagplanuhan, ano ba ang gagawin natin? Okay? Ang tinatanong ay yung area na hindi napintahan. Okay? So ang gagawin natin dito, kuhanin natin ang area ng circle. Okay? So yun ang unang gagawin. Find the area of the circle. Okay? Pangalawa, kuhanin din natin ang area ng square. Okay? Nakuha natin ang area ng circle at ang area ng square. Okay. Pagkatapos, ang susunod na gagawin, you have to subtract the area of the square to the area of the circle. Okay? So ibabawas mo tong area ng nasa loob na yan, nasa square na yan, para malaman natin kung ilan yung hindi napintahan. Kung ano ang area na hindi napintahan. Okay. So ganun ang gagawin natin. Tapos na tayong magplano, susunod na gagawin natin is we have to solve na. Okay? Ngayon, gawin natin yung letter A. Find the area of the circle. So the area of the circle, the formula is pi r squared or pi times r times r. Kung saan ang pi ay mathematical constant that is 3.14. Okay, solve natin. 3.14 constant. Ang radius ay 30 cm. Okay, times 30 cm. Okay. Multiply everything lang. Kung gusto niyo mag-solve ng sa sarili ninyo, you can pause the video and then try to solve it on your own. Tingnan natin kung tama ang sagot. Okay, start. Okay, so the area of the circle is 2,826 cm yan. Okay, square centimeters. Okay, area ng circle pa lang yung nakukuha natin. Okay, susunod, ang gagawin natin, okay na yung letter A, gawin natin yung letter B. Find the area of the square naman. So the formula for the area of the square is just side times side lang. Since ang given sa square ay given naman ang isang side that is 13 cm, kayang-kaya natin isolve yan. Replace the values. Area is equals to 13 cm by 13 cm. And then multiply. Okay? 13 times 13, that is just 169 centimeter squared or square centimeters. Okay? Kuha na natin ang area ng circle, tapos nakuha na natin ang area ng square. Susunod na gagawin natin, isusubtract na natin. Okay? Ang area ng square, ibabawas natin sa area ng circle. So this is now, area of the circle is 2A, okay, 26. Okay, square centimeters subtracted by 169. Okay, square centimeters. Okay. So ano ang sagot niyan? 2826 cm minus 169. The answer is 2657. Okay? Square centimeters. Okay? So your final answer now is this one. The answer is the area that is not painted is 2,657 square centimeters. CM yan. Okay. Let us proceed. Learning task 1, number 2. Okay. The figure below is composed of rectangle. So meron tayong rectangle and half circle. Okay. Find the area of the figure. Saan kaya yun? So merong rectangle. Ito, sa baba. Tapos, merong half circle. So alamin natin kung ano ang area ng figure na yan, ng kabuuan. Okay. So, again, the first thing that you have to do in solving problem is you have to understand. Okay? In understanding, you have to know what is asked. Ano man tinatanong? Okay. What is asked in this problem is the area of the figure. Okay? And what are the given facts? Alamin natin. So, ano ba ang given? Meron tayong dalawang plane figures diyan. Okay? That is a rectangle and semicircle. So, alamin natin kung ano ang given doon. Unahin natin yung sa circle. Ang radius niyan ay 2 cm. Okay. Tatanong, sir, saan galing yung 2 cm na yan? Okay. Kita ninyo to. 9 cm ang ating length ng rectangle. Okay? 9 cm yan. Itong side na to, 2 cm. Itong side na to, 3 cm. Kapag binawas natin yan, dalawang yan, dito sa 9 ang matitira ay 5 cm. Ibig sabihin, itong circle na to ay sorry. This is 4 cm. Okay. Itong circle na to has a diameter of 4 cm pala. Okay, 4 cm. Ibig sabihin, since diameter ay 4 cm, ang kalahati ng 4 cm ay ang radius niya, kalahati niyan, that is 2 cm. Okay? So yan. Kaya dun galing ang radius na yan. Okay, so okay na ang circle natin, given ang radius. Ngayon naman, ano ang given sa rectangle? Sa rectangle naman, given ang length, that is 9 cm, ito. At given naman ang kanyang width, that is 2 cm. Okay, so okay na yung mga given natin. After understanding, what you have to do is you have to plan. Pagplanuhan. Paano natin makukuha ang area ng buong figure na to? Okay? Siyempre, ang unang gagawin, you have to find the area of the half circle. Itong kalahati ng circle na to, alamin natin ang area niya. Pangalawa, alamin natin ang area ng rectangle. Okay? At pangatlo, pagsamahin natin. We have to add the area of the half circle to the area of the rectangle para makuha natin yung kabuuan. Okay. So, naintindihan mo na, nakapagplano ka na. So, kailangan mo nang i-execute. You have to solve na. Okay, unahin natin yung area ng circle. Okay. Area ng circle is equals to pi r squared, wherein pi is a mathematical constant that is 3.14. Okay? Kaya replace the values lang. So, ang kailangan lang sa circle ay radius. Ano ang radius? 2 cm. Okay? Masosolve na natin yan. Replace the values, 3.14 times 2 cm times 2 cm. Okay? So, the answer for that is that 12.56 square centimeters. Okay, so yun ang area ng circle. Pero teka lang, sir, kalahati lang ng area ng circle ang kailangan natin. So ang gagawin, you have to divide it by 2. Okay, so yan lang yan. Okay, and then, so that is 12.56 divided by 2. Kaya ang half circle, ang area ng half circle is equals to 6.28. Okay? Square centimeters. Okay, so ito ang kailangan natin, kalahati lang ng area ng circle. Okay, okay na yung letter A. Ngayon gawin natin yung letter B. We have to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle is just equals to length times width. Okay, tingnan natin ang given. Merong length, merong width. Okay, replace the values lang. Area is equals to 9 cm times 2 cm. Multiply. That is just 18. So 9 times 2, that is 18 square centimeters. Again, kapag area, lagi yung square unit. Okay, okay na yung letter B. Okay, letter C na lang tayo. Nakuha natin ang area ng kalahati ng circle, nakuha natin ang area ng rectangle, pagsasamahin na natin sa letter C. Okay, so the area of a rectangle or circle, semicircle is just 6.28 square centimeters. Isasama natin yung area ng rectangle, that is 18 square centimeters. Okay? Yun lang yun. And then you have to combine. So 6.28 plus 18 cm. Okay? Try to solve it on your own. Just pause the video para ma-check kung tama ang sayo. Okay? So the answer for this one is 24.28. Okay, sorry. 28 square centimeters. Okay? Yan ngayon ang total area. So your final answer now is that the area of the figure is 24.28 square centimeters. Okay? Pinagsama mo na yung dalawa. Let us proceed. Number 3. Calculate the shaded region naman. Show only your solution and answer. Okay, tingnan natin. So meron na naman dito tayong triangle. At meron sa loob na square. Okay? Interesting. Ganda to. Ngayon, in solving problems like this one, first that you have to do is you have to understand. Siyempre, intindihin ano bang gagawin natin, ano bang meron diyan sa problem na yan. Okay, ang hinihingi ay ang shaded region. So ito na nakapaikot na to. Pero meron siyang panggulo, merong square sa loob. Okay, so paano natin malalaman yan? Ano kaya tinatanong dito? In understanding, you have to know what is asked. What is asked in this problem is the area of the shaded region. Okay. After knowing what is asked, you have to know the given facts. Okay. So ano yung given facts? Meron tayong dalawang object. Meron tayong rectangle, square at saka triangle. So anong given sa triangle at anong given sa square? Tingnan natin. Sa square, meron naman siya. Ang isang side ay 2 cm. Yun ang kailangan natin para sa square. Pagkatapos sa triangle naman, given ang base, that is 10 cm, and then ang height niya ay 8.7 cm or centimeters. Okay na? Okay na ang given natin. Okay. After understanding, you have to plan. Pagplanuhan na natin, ano bang gagawin natin dito? Alam na natin ang tinatanong. Meron na tayong given facts. Okay? Ngayon, magplano tayo. So siguro, maganda, kuhanin muna natin ang area ng mga yan. Unahin natin. You have to find the area of the triangle. So this is not half area. You have to find the area of the triangle. Okay? Now, after finding the area of the triangle, so wala to ha. Disregard this one. Okay, pagkatapos nakuha mo na area ng triangle, susunod mo is you have to find the area of the square. Okay, sunod mo naman ang square. Kapag nakuha na yung area ng square, since ang tinatanong ay shaded region, ibig sabihin ibabawas natin yung area ng square sa area ng triangle. So ang susunod na gagawin is you have to subtract the area of the square to the area of the triangle. Okay? So ganun lang. Ayan, isa-isahin na natin. Naintindihan mo na, you know what is asked, you know the given facts, nakapagplano ka na, syempre, the next thing that you have to do is you have to solve that. Okay. First, find the area of the triangle. So the formula for the area of triangle is equals to base times height divided by 2. Okay? So tingnan natin yung given facts sa triangle. So merong base, merong height. Okay? So masosolve natin. Replace the values lang. So area is equals to 10 cm, which is the base, times 8.7 cm, which is the height. Okay? Multiply everything lang. So that is 10 cm times 8.7, that is 87 square centimeters divided by 2. Okay? Kaya ang sagot ay 43.5 square centimeters. Okay. Ngayon, nakuha mo na ang area ng triangle. Ang susunod na okay na yung letter A. Sunod na gagawin, find the area of the square naman. Area of the square is equals to side times side lang. Okay. Wherein, given naman ang isang side, that is 2 cm. So area is equals to 2 cm times 2 cm lang. So 2 times 2, that is 4 cm squared. Since area pinag-usapan natin, square unit lang yan. Okay. Okay na yun yung letter B. Letter C tayo. Subtract the area of the square to the area of triangle. Ibabawas natin. Okay. Area of triangle. Anong area ng triangle? 43. Okay. 0.5. Okay. Minus. Ibabawas natin yung area ng square. Okay. Minus 4. Okay. So, the answer now is 43.5 minus 4. The answer now is 39.5. Okay, and the unit is always square unit, square centimeters. Okay, so your final answer is that the area of the shaded region is 39.5 square centimeters. Okay, now learning task 2 tayo. Learning task 2. Okay, so problem ulit. The problem is a circle is inscribed with a 7-meter square. Okay, what is the area in square meter of the shaded region? Tingnan natin tong illustration. Okay, so meron tayong 7-meter square dyan. Okay, na meron siyang nakalagay na bilog sa loob, circle. Okay, tinatanong, kay ano ang area in square meter ng shaded region? Okay, first, you have to understand the problem. Okay, in understanding, you have to know what is asked. Anong tinatanong? What is asked in this particular problem is the area of the shaded region. Okay, and then, know the given facts. Anong mga given? So, meron tayo diyang square at meron tayo diyang circle. So, alamin natin kung anong given ng mga yan. First, unahin natin yung circle. Circle has a radius of 3.5 meters. Sir, saan galing yan? Wala namang nakalagay dyan na 3.5. Ito. Kasi, ang sabi dito, ang circle, okay, is inscribed with a 7-meter square. So, itong square na to ay 7 meters yan. Okay? 7 meters yan. 7 meters yan from the point here to here, that is the diameter. So, ang kalahati ng diameter, that is the radius. Ang radius ay 3.5 kasi 7 divided by 2. Okay. So, diyan nakuha ang radius sa 3.5. Ngayon, okay na ang circle. Sunod, alamin natin kung anong given sa square. Okay. Square is, the side is 7 meters na. Okay? Okay na yung mga given natin. Okay. The next is you have to plan. Magplanuhan. Anong gagawin natin? Ang tinatanong ay ang area ng shaded region. Okay. Pero may panggulo na naman. So, anong gagawin natin? Una, kuhanin mo natin ang mga area ng mga plane figures natin. Find the area of the circle. Pangalawa, you have to find the area of the square. And then pangatlo, syempre, ang gagawin natin, we have to subtract the area of the circle to the area of the square. Ibabawas natin tong bilog na to, okay, sa area ng square para malaman natin kung anong area ng shaded region na ito. Okay, after planning, you have to solve na. Okay, isa-isahin natin. First, the area of a circle is pi r squared, wherein pi is a mathematical constant that is 3.40, and then r is the radius. Nasaan ang radius? 3.5. Okay. So, radius times radius lang yan. Okay. So, area of the circle is just 3.14 constant times 3.5 radius times 3.5 radius. Dalawang beses ang radius. Okay, kasi radius squared. Okay. Again, you can pause the video and then solve it on your own. And then, i-play na lang kapag if you're going to check na kung tama ang sagot. Okay, so 3.14 times 3.5 times 3.5, the answer should be 38 and 456 square meters. Okay, okay na yung area ng circle natin. Okay na yung letter A. Sunod natin ang letter B. Find the area of the square. Okay, area of the square is equals to side times side lang. Kung saan, ang isang side ay given, that is 7 meters. Replace the values lang, that is area is equals to 7 times 7. Okay, and then 7 times 7, that is 49 square meters. Again, area, square units yan. Okay na tayo sa letter B. Gawin natin ang letter C. Subtract the area. Ibawas natin ang area ng circle sa area ng square. Okay? Yan lang yan. So, ano ang area ng square? 49. Okay? 49 square meters. Okay? Babawas natin yung area ng circle. That is 38.456. Okay. Okay. So, that is 4 square meters. Okay. 49 square meters minus 38.456 square meters. The answer is 10,535 okay, square meters. Ito yung sagot ngayon. So your final answer now is that the area of the shaded region is 10.535 square meters. Okay? Now, let's proceed. Learning task 2, number 2. May and Jan are planning to build a veranda like the figure as shown. So ito, ganito ang gagawin ng veranda. Okay. The semicircle shaped part of the veranda will be covered with grass because they want to put a pocket garden, while the rest of the veranda will be covered with tiles. What is the total area of the veranda that will be covered with tiles and grass? Okay. So, alamin natin kung ano ang area nitong kabuuan na to, no? Okay. So, in solving problems like this one, the first thing that you have to do is you have to understand, syempre, paano masosolve kung hindi mo naiintindihan ang problem? In understanding, you have to know what is asked. Okay, and what is asked in this particular problem is that the area or the total area of the veranda. Okay, after knowing what is asked, you have to know what are the given facts. Okay, and the given facts, syempre, meron tayo ditong ilang plane figures, isa, and then dalawa. Okay, meron tayong rectangle at meron tayong semicircle. Okay, so alamin natin kung anong mga given dyan. Unahin natin ang sa circle. Circle has a radius of 3 meters. Sa ano naman galing yung 3 meters, sir? Okay, 3 meters ay galing dito. Kasi kung makikita ninyo to, okay, the length is 6 meters. Itong haba na to, 6 meters yan. Okay, that is the diameter. Ang kalahati niyan, kalahati ng diameter, that is the radius. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3 meters. Okay, so doon galing ang 3 meters na yan. Now, okay na yun sa circle natin. Ngayon alamin natin ang sa rectangle naman. So, rectangle has a dimension of 6 meters ang length at saka ang width niya ay 5 meters. Okay na ang given. Okay, ngayon, after understanding, you have to plan. Planuhin na natin kung anong gagawin natin. Since ang tinatanong ay total area, ibig sabihin, sasamahin natin yan. Okay, pero isa-isahin muna natin. Una, you have to find the area of the half circle. Kalahati lang ng circle to eh. Pangalawa, you have to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, syempre, ang pangatlo, pagsasamahin mo na siya. You have to add the area of the half circle and the area of the rectangle. Okay, magandang plano. Ngayon, you have to execute your plan. You have to solve na. Okay, so, unahin natin yung area ng circle, half circle. Okay, so simulan natin sa area ng circle pa rin. Area of the circle is equals to pi r squared. Okay, kung saan ang pi ay 3.40. Replace the values lang. So, ang radius ay 3 meters, no? So, pi, 3.14 times 3 meters times 3 meters. Okay? Kasi ito, pwede yan kasing formula of area is equals to pi times radius times radius. Parehas din lang yan. Okay. So, 3.14 times 3 times 3. The answer is 28.26 square meters. Okay. Pero sir, kalahati lang half circle lang yan eh. Kaya magdi-divide tayo dyan. Hahatiin natin yung area ng circle natin. So 28.26 divided by 2, okay? The area now is equals to 14.30. Okay? Square meters. Okay, ito ang kalahati ng circle. Okay, now, okay na ang letter A, gawin natin ang letter B. Letter B, find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length times width lang. Okay, given ang length, given ang width, masosolve natin yan. Replace the values lang. So the length is, area is equals to 6 meters times 5 meters. Okay, kung saan, that is 6 times 5, that is 30. At since ang sagot ay area, square units lang yan. So the answer is 30 square meters. Okay na? Okay na ito sa letter B. Ngayon, proceed tayo sa letter C. We have to add. Okay, pagsamahin na natin yung dalawa. Area of the half circle, that is 14. Okay, 0.13. I-add natin ang area ng rectangle, that is 30. Okay. square meters. Okay, so that is now what is this? 14.13. Okay, plus 30 square meters. The answer now is 44.13. Okay, square meters. Okay, so your final answer now is the total area of the veranda is 44 and 13 hundreds square meters. Okay? So yun lang. Yun na lang pala kadali yan, sir. Oo, basta familiar kayo sa mga formula, madali na yan. Composite figure na yan. Okay. Now, learning task 3. Okay, malapit na tayo. Learning task 3. Direction, arrange the following steps in solving word problems. Write letters A to F lang. Okay? So, ganoon lang yan. Tingnan natin kung alin kaya mauuna dito. Okay. So, first, syempre, you have to read the problem and make sure that you understand all the words. So, this is letter A. Okay? Ngayon, pagkatapos niyan, identify and name what you are looking for. So, ayan kasunod eh. Alamin natin yung mga given facts dyan. Okay? And then, pagkatapos yan, okay na yan, susunod, translate the problem into a number sentence or write the formula, okay, to solve the problem. Okay. Okay na. Pagkatapos niyan, syempre, alam mo na ang formula, alam mo na ang number sentence, you have now to solve the problem. Okay. And after that, na-solve mo na ang problem, you have to answer the question with a complete answer. So this is your letter E. Okay. And of course, you have to check kung reasonable ba ang answer mo. Okay? And checking ang last. Okay na tayo sa learning task 3. Let us proceed with the assessment na. Okay. Assessment. Mr. Cruz, a coach of basketball team, wants to repaint a certain spot in his basketball court. The picture below shows the area in his court called the key. Okay, what is the area of the key that needs repainting given that the radius of the circle is 6 feet? Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, so ito ang key. Ito. Yan. Okay, ito yung pipintahan ni Mr. Cruz. Okay. So ngayon, para ma-solve natin yan, you have to follow the problem-solving strategies natin. Una, you have to understand the problem. Okay? In understanding the problem, you have, of course, to know what is asked from the problem. In this particular problem, what is asked is the total area of the key. So ito. Okay? If after knowing what is asked, you have to know the given facts or to write the given facts. So ano yung given facts? Ano bang merong object tayo dyan? Ano bang merong plain figures tayo dyan? So meron tayong rectangle, tapos meron tayong, ito na naman si half circle. Okay. So alamin natin kung anong given sa mga yan. So unahin natin sa circle. Okay. Ang radius niya daw ay 6 feet. Okay, given naman. So wala tayong problema doon. Pagkatapos, meron pa tayong rectangle. So alamin natin ang dimension ng rectangle. So rectangle is, ang length niya is 15 feet. Okay yun, given naman. Okay, and then the width is 12 feet. Sir, saan na naman galing yan? 12 feet na yan. Okay, kasi dito sa circle natin, binigay ang radius that is 6 feet. Sabi natin, ang radius, kalahati lang yan ng diameter. So simula dito sa center, papunta dito, 6 feet yan. Ibig sabihin, simula dito, papunta dito sa kabila, 6 feet din yan. Pag pinag-add mo yung dalawa, that is 12 feet. Okay, kaya doon nakuha yung width. Okay. After understanding, sunod, you have to plan. Okay, pagplanuhan natin, ang hinahanap is the area of the key, pero meron na namang panggulo na half circle, no? So ang gawin natin diyan, una is you have to find the area of the half circle. So alamin natin ano ba ang area ng half circle na to. Okay? And then find the area of the rectangle. So anong area ng rectangle? Of course, kapag nakuha na ang area ng circle, ang half circle at area ng rectangle, ang gagawin natin, you have to subtract the area of the half circle. Kasi hindi mo naman pipintahan tong kalahati, itong half circle na to eh. Okay, kaya ibabawas mo yan sa area ng rectangle. Okay, nakapagplano na tayo. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is you have to solve na. Okay, isa-isahin natin. First, area of a circle. Okay, half circle ang hinahanap natin. So area of a circle is equals to pi r squared, or pi times r, wherein r is the radius and pi is the mathematical constant, that is 3.14. Okay, replace the values lang. So pi is 3.14, radius is 6 times 6. Okay? Again, you can pause the video if you want to solve it on your own. And pag nakasolve na kayo, i-play nyo para malaman kung tama ang sagot. Okay, start. Okay, so the answer for the area of a circle is 113.02. Okay. Okay. Sorry, this should be 4. Okay, 113.04. And then, since ang kailangan natin ay half circle naman, kalahati ng circle yan, you have to divide this one by 2. Okay, 113.04, okay, multiplied by, divided by 2. Okay, the answer for that is 56. Okay, 0.52. Yeah. So the answer is 56.52. Siyempre, ang unit natin ay laging square unit, square feet yan. Okay, kuha na natin ang area ng kalahati ng circle. Okay, ngayon, okay na tayo sa letter A. Gawin natin yung letter B. Find the area of the rectangle. Okay, area of a rectangle is equals to length times width. Okay, tingnan natin kung kompleto ba ang given. Length, okay. Width, okay. Replace the values lang. Area is equals to 15 feet times 12 feet. Okay, 15 times 12, that is just 180 square feet. Okay, kuha na rin natin ang area ng rectangle. Okay na. Yun. So, last thing that you have to do sa ating plano is you have to subtract na the area of the half circle from the area of the rectangle. So, ito ang huli. Ano ang area ng rectangle? 180. Okay, square feet. Ibabawas natin yung kalahati ng circle. Okay, that is 56.52. Okay, square feet. Yun. So 180 minus 56.52. Okay, the answer is 123.48. Okay, square feet. Yun. Okay. So ito ngayon ang kailangang pintahan ni Mr. Cruz. So your final answer now is that the area that needs repainting is 123.48 square feet. Okay? So yan lang. Okay? That's all for our week 6 lesson. Sana may natutunan. Salamat muli sa inyong lahat. And don't forget to share and subscribe.